The FDA has announced its plan to ban food dyes by the end of 2026. This decision means that food and beverage manufacturers will need to work quickly to adjust their recipe formulations. Restaurants that purchase products from these manufacturers face a challenging situation as well. They must either rely on their suppliers to remove the dyes from their products or seek out alternative manufacturers. To quickly recap, the dyes scheduled to be banned by the end of 2026 are listed here. These dyes may sometimes include FD&C before their names, but it's the same dye regardless of whether FD&C is present or not. Now, let's explore examples of menu items where these dyes can be found, whether they're hidden or more obvious. Identifying foods with added dyes can sometimes be straightforward. However, there are instances where dyes are less obvious, as demonstrated by Arby's. It's unexpected to find food dyes in something like buns, but they are indeed present. The reasoning behind these additions might be just as surprising. Brioche buns stand out from regular buns because they include egg in the dough. However, Arby's brioche and slider buns don't actually have real eggs. Instead, they use egg shade color dye to create the appearance of eggs. This egg shade color consists of yellow 5, yellow 6, and red 40. So any item on Arby's menu featuring a brioche or slider bun includes these banned dyes. It's quite surprising. One of the most popular menu items at McDonald's, the M&M McFlurry, contains a variety of dyes due to the M&Ms themselves. These dyes include blue 1, blue 2, yellow 5, yellow 6, and red 40. While there are a few other exceptions at McDonald's, primarily with fountain drinks, the company has generally succeeded in minimizing the use of food dyes in its recipes. Here's an interesting fact. The onion rings at Applebee's include added dyes to boost their golden hue. Specifically, yellow 5 and yellow 6 are among the listed ingredients. Once the food dye ban is enforced, these will need to be removed. An unexpected source of food dyes can be found in the honey Dijon mustard and honey Dijon mustard sauce at Applebee's. Both of these products contain yellow 5 to enhance their color. This might surprise you, considering that even bright yellow mustard, such as French's, doesn't use any dyes and achieves its vibrant color from turmeric. Culver's is well known for its frozen custard, which stands out from regular ice cream due to the addition of egg yolk. However, it's important to note that several of the mix-ins available for Culver's frozen custard contain food dyes. Chick-fil-A's menu is largely free of banned dyes, though there are a few items that need attention. The spicy chicken sandwich and spicy chicken biscuit both contain yellow nar-6 in their seasoning. Fortunately, the regular chicken used in other menu items does not have any added dyes. Another item needing a simple fix is the maraschino cherry used as a topper for the milkshakes, which contains red 40. The Doritos taco shell, featured in several Taco Bell menu items, includes yellow number 5, yellow number 6, and red number 40. Additionally, nearly every flavor of the Agua Refresca drinks and the Limonada drinks contains banned dyes. It's worth noting that Taco Bell uses Tropicana lemonade for the Limonada, which contains yellow number 5, even before the flavor syrups are added. Several Blizzard flavors include artificial food dyes that are banned in some places. For example, the Mint Oreo Blizzard contains yellow number 5 and green number 3. Additionally, the strawberry milkshake uses red 40 to enhance its color. Interestingly, there are some dye-free blizzards as well. The cotton candy blizzard, for instance, uses colors derived solely from fruits and vegetables. What do you think? Leave us a comment to let us know. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/thecoconutmama for more.